We would consider it our moral duty to lend all support to the ending of colonialism and imperialism so that people everywhere are free to mold their own destiny. We must fight for peace bravely as we fought in war. Discipline and united action are the real source of strength for the nation. There has no doubt to be fundamental research in science, but applied research is equally important for new improvements and changes in our techniques. We believe in peace and peaceful development, not only for ourselves but for people all over the world. We are a very big and vast government, and naturally, every ministry is becoming bigger and bigger. It becomes, therefore, essential that there should be proper coordination. We cannot afford to spend millions and millions over nuclear arms when there is poverty and unemployment all around us. I am not as simple as I look. We believe in the dignity of man as an individual, whatever his race, color or creed, and his right to better, fuller, and richer life. If Pakistan has any ideas of annexing any part of our territories by force, she should think afresh. I want to state categorically that force will be met with force and aggression against us will never be allowed to succeed. Our way is straight and clear, the building up of a socialist democracy at home, with freedom and prosperity for all, and the maintenance of world peace and friendship with all nations abroad. We believe in peace in the settlement of all disputes through peaceful means, in the abolition of war, and, more particularly, nuclear war. No doubt we have to have bigger projects, bigger industries, basic industries, but it is a matter of the highest importance that we look to the common man, the weakest element in the society. We can win respect in the world only if we are strong internally and can banish poverty and unemployment from our country. I had always been feeling uncomfortable in my mind about giving advice to others and not acting upon it myself. Our country has often stood like a solid rock in the face of common danger, and there is a deep underlying unity which runs like a golden thread through all our seeming diversity. It is most regrettable that nuclear energy is being harnessed for making nuclear weapons. Non-alignment will continue to be the fundamental basis of our approach to world problems and our relations with other countries. I tremble when I am reminded of the fact that I have to be in charge of this country and parliament, which had been led by no less a person than Jawaharlal Nehru. There comes a time in the life of every nation when it stands at the crossroads of history and must choose which way to go. The unique thing about our country is that we have Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Parsis, and people of all other religions. We have temples and mosques, gurdwaras and churches. But we do not bring all this into politics. This is the difference between India and Pakistan. The speed with which we in the Congress are going down is sometimes frightening. Government administration in the districts is rapidly reaching a low level. No strong opposition party has been able to emerge. We have to surmount the difficulties that face us and work steadfastly for the happiness and prosperity of our country. We believe in freedom, freedom for the people of each country to follow their destiny without external interference. India will have to hang down her head in shame if even one person is left who is said in any way to be untouchable.